Hello. Yeah, I want to show you that the Ember coin doesn't record, so it doesn't record. It doesn't feel the cell form. I'm saying it doesn't feel the cell. All other coins I have, it feels the cell form, but Ember coin doesn't. So let me show you. What I do is I go to exchange. I go to markets. I go to Litecoin. I want to sell to Litecoin back. Okay, let's go to Tron. I have TRX Tron. So Tron, click here, does nothing happens. I click here, I click on total. It fills the total what I have total. So I'll be able to sell. But I don't want to sell right now. So let's choose another. For example, I own Matrix coin as well. So I click here, nothing happens. I click on total. It fills the cell form. So it's total. I would be able to sell it. I own Campus Coin as well. Campus Coin. I own Campus Coin. Okay. I try to click here, nothing happens. If I want to sell, for example, if I click on total, yeah, it fills the cell form total, and I would be able to sell. Except the Ember Coin, it doesn't work. EMB. Ember Coin would not. I cannot feel the cell. Doesn't feel the cell form. Anywhere I click. You see, it doesn't do nothing. That's the reason I'm making this video, because it cannot. Even if I'm able to sell it, I cannot sell it. You send me the status of the coin is okay, so I cannot. Anywhere I click, it doesn't feel the cell form. My cases, let's go to my cases. Where's my cases? Sorry. Yeah. So yeah, my tickets, my support tickets. You said you resolved it, but it really is not resolved. So see transfer. You said this coin information. Okay. Ember coin. If I search for EMB, Ember coin status. What you see? Ember coin EMB. Okay, active. So I don't know why it doesn't feel the sell. I won't be able to sell it even if I wanted to. I'm not intending to sell right now, but in case I do, so I make sure it works. I can try it again. So I go to exchange markets. I want to sell the Litecoin because that's how originally I bought it. I bought it with Litecoin. So EMB, Ember coin. So yeah, I own this amount. I want to sell to Litecoin. I click anywhere I click right now. It doesn't feel the cell form. Anywhere I click. In total, like other coins. But here I click unavailable. It doesn't feel the cell form. Not sure why. Can you help me with that, please? Thank you.